Hi friends, I received this car Visor tissue holder. It is really nice. It's mainly a leather fabric. And as you can see, you could put tissue here or even face masks here. You can put, well, a good amount, a good quantity, and you will install it in the car Visor. So you will save space in your car. You will have the tissue or the face masks always available. You could even put it in the, not in the driver's visor, but in the other side of the car. You can reach it, and it will keep your car cleaner and with less articles everywhere. So I am going to install it in my car and test it. Thank you. Friends, let me show you how you can install this Visor tissue holder. First, it's great that you can install it and you still are able to use your mirror here, so no problem with it. And the tissue will be here, so you can keep driving and have no problem, but you have the tissue available. Really, really useful. Or you could install it in this other visor. Also, you are able to use the mirror and you will have the tissue available, but well, you will have a clearer view to drive. So anywhere you like to install it, it's a great accessory. You have your tissue or your face masks available, and you won't have anything making a mess in your car. Perfect.